Why would anyone spend 70 days preparing a corpse? To the ancient Egyptians, death was not the end. It was a transition, and mummification was the sacred process that made eternal life possible. They believed the soul needed a preserved body to return to, or it would risk vanishing forever. So once a person died, their body was taken to an embalming tent and purified with water from the Nile. Then came the shocking part. The brain was removed through the nose using a hooked tool and discarded like useless matter. The heart, believed to be the seat of thought and emotion, was left in place. The rest of the organs, including the liver, lungs, stomach, and intestines, were removed through a slit in the abdomen, dried, and placed into jars protected by gods. The body was then buried in natron, a natural salt, for 40 days to dehydrate it completely. What emerged was dry, leathery, and ready to be wrapped. But wrapping wasn't rushed. It could take 15 days, with each layer of linen accompanied by prayers, spells, and protective amulets. A golden mask often crowned the process, not just for decoration, but to link the deceased with the divine. Finally, the mummy was placed in a series of nested coffins, surrounded by treasures, tools, food, and sacred texts to help navigate the underworld. The goal wasn't preservation for its own sake. It was immortality, and somehow, over 3,000 years later, their methods still work. Mummies today remain so intact that we can see their teeth, their hair, and even the expressions frozen on their faces. How did a civilization from the Bronze Age master this level of anatomical and chemical precision? We are still trying to figure it out. But one thing is certain: they believed eternal life was worth everything. If you want to uncover more secrets of ancient Egypt, subscribe and follow the next mystery from the tomb.